Grades don't decide my potential. Neither does a bad trade. I am a trader. From the tiniest task to the most important one, I ace them all. Juggling a few tricky trades is a piece of cake for me. I am a trader. Finding a bug isn't that big a deal for me. Getting my strategy right gives me the real rush. I am a trader. I teach my students for a brighter future, but I learn from my own bad trades. I am a trader. I am on top of my game every day, but surviving my lowest gives me the real high. I am a trader. I've seen the madness of Wall Street, the screens, the chaos, the greed. Now I trade for myself, not for someone else. I am a trader. I keep at it until I win. I repeat, until I win. We come from different walks of life, but we all walk the same charts. We are traders.